Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the joyful dance actions in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new football club event, and in here you can collect many awesome football teams rewards, and one of them is these actions, the joyful moment. And to get it, it's very simple. First just tap on this club icon and then just tap on the go purchase and then just choose this joyful moment. And in here you need 6,000 codes, so make sure you have enough codes, and then next just tap on purchase like this, and these actions will be added to your actions collections automatically. Just tap on the emote icon and then just tap on the solo actions, and in here just choose these actions, the joyful moment actions, to use the actions like this. It's so cute, your character will be dance like this. Okay, like this. That's it, you can get these cute actions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!